Hi everybody, welcome back to my family taxi, and I'm so excited to sit in the back garden and I'm going to make one of the famous teas of India. India is one of the largest tea producers in the world and 70% of them is consumed within India itself. What I'm going to make today is very special and it's called masala chai. We live in Ireland and cup of tea is a magic word. Irish being the heaviest tea drinkers per capita in the world. Average, people drink about 4 to 6 cups of tea a day. Ireland, known as the Emerald Isle, sits in the middle of the cold northern Atlantic Ocean, and people live here need a nice cup of tea to get through the foggy winters. Now I'm going to show you how Indian masala chai is made, and from today we're going to call it as Irish Indian masala chai. And I'm going to show you the ingredients now. This is sliced ginger, the cinnamon stick, star anise, some cardamom seeds and some cloves, and I have some tea leaves in the middle, and these are the ingredients needed to make the masala chai. Now I'm going to show you how masala chai is prepared. I'm just going to pour in some water in a hot pan. That's going to make about 4 cups of tea. Wait until the water is boiling. Now we're going to get ready with the ingredients. First, I'm going to add some ginger. Is it another one, Arjun? One more. Just going to crush the ginger so you get the flavor from the ginger very well. So the water has started to boil now. I'm going to add in the crushed ginger. So Atharva is going to add in the crushed ginger inside the water. And then we're going to add some star anise. Just one more, Arjun, just one more. I'm going to add it as a whole. You can crush it if you want, but it's okay, you know, if you put it whole. And then comes in the cinnamon stick, just the 2 of them.
Yep.
And I'm going to add some
anise,
cloves. Just few, I can add an Arjun. Just few more. And then comes the cardamom seeds.
One last one.
The water is boiling and I'm going to add in some cardamom seeds, about 4 or 5. So Arjun is adding the cardamom seeds now. That's it. So the star anise, cardamom seeds, crushed ginger, cloves and star anise is boiling in the water. Now I'm going to add in some tea leaves inside.
Hold on, I will do that. Thank you.
Just this 1 spoonful, and this is second spoonful.
And just a little bit more.
I'm going to give it a good mix. This flavor from this tea, oh my god, it's beautiful. The spices, the tea leaf, the cardamom, it is so good.
Oh,
Just going to let it boil for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then the tea will be ready. This masala chai helps to boost immunity, helps in digestion, and it also boosts your energy levels. The tea is nearly ready and it smells so good. If people prefer it as a black tea, you can have it as a black tea, or if you can add some milk and people like to add sugar or honey, you can add it as well. Now I'm going to add some milk into this because the boys like it with a bit of milk. Stir it, Arjun. That looks so good. The tea is ready now. I'm going to turn off the stove and I'm just going to strain it. There's a little strainer I have. I'm just going to pour into these cups.
Now it's ready to drink. It's really hot, isn't it?
Somebody else has joined the tea party. Here. So you're gonna enjoy the tea now. The aroma from the tea is so good and it tastes so nice. Please check the description area for more details on the health benefits of this masala chai.
We hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to My Family Taxi and see another episode. Bye!
Bye!